So there's plenty of ways to make a lot of money with your coins, and if you watch my videos, you know that. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to make profit with your coins and make sure that you're spending your time wisely and honestly not wasting your time on coins that aren't really worth too much. So one of the biggest things to keep your eye out on is the date. If it's a really early dated coin and the condition's really nice, that's going to allow that coin to be worth a lot more money. Let's dive into a few examples of how you're going to profit from your coins. So this is a really good example here. This is a 1932 D. That D mint mark there stands for the Denver Mint. That's important to know. This one was graded by PCGS, a mint state 65 plus with a CAC sticker. So you really want to know that 1932 is a really good date for the quarter. Also, it looks like there's some sort of rust at the top of the coin, but that's actually toning. That's natural occurring oxidation from the air, and collectors really like that look. This one was also graded by PCGS a 65 plus. That plus designation will increase the value. This coin sold for $21,737. This coin also has a CAC sticker. A CAC sticker is another third-party company that will look at the coin in the graded holder and say if it's nice or not by putting their sticker on the holder. So here's the thing. Here's how you're going to make a profit. Let's say you come across a coin collection or you find this coin out in your pocket change. The first thing you want to do is make sure you keep it safe. You don't want to be rubbing your fingers on the surface. You don't want to be dropping the coin or scratching the coin. You want to keep it in really good condition because the smallest little nick or gash can decrease the value thousands of dollars. Let's jump into the next coin and I'm going to tell you exactly how you should be selling your coin. So this is a coin we may all be familiar with. This is a 1999 S 25 cent Delaware silver quarter graded by PCGS, a proof 70 deep cameo. Again, this is a coin that you're going to find in a collection because it is a proof coin. Now what's a proof coin? You're going to know if you have a proof coin by if you look at the backdrop of the coin. If you're looking directly at it and you can see almost your reflection in the coin, that is going to mean generally that you have a proof coin, and proof coins are going to be worth more money. This one little quarter here sold for $2,107, and this is exactly how I would go about selling your coin. So you want to get the opinion of at least 3 coin experts before you sell your coins. The reason for doing this is to make sure you do not get scammed. If you only bring it to one coin expert, maybe they have a new employee or they don't know what they're looking at and they offer you only a few dollars for a coin that's potentially worth thousands of dollars. So that's why you want to get the opinion of multiple people. Now, if you know what you're doing, you could also possibly sell your coin on eBay. Now, eBay has its own hurdles. There are sometimes scammers on the website. In the past, I've sold a lot and I've bought a lot of coins on eBay. If you want, in another video, I could dive deep into eBay. If that's something you guys are interested in, just leave a comment below and let me know if that's something you want. But again, this quarter sold for $2,107. Here is a 1957 D 10 cent Roosevelt dime graded by PCGS, a mint state 68. So that D mint mark there is located at the back bottom center area of the coin. This coin sold for $7,637, which is a lot of money for this coin, but the reason is because of this. So this coin, again, graded at a 68. It has the full bands on the back, and PCGS graded this coin. So you want to be looking for the full bands on the back. By that, you know, when you flip the coin over, you look at the torch there, you're going to see some horizontal bands. That is considered the highest point on the coin. It's hard for when this coin is being minted for that area to strike nicely on the coin. As silly as this may sound, there are collectors that go after coins that have this full bands designation for the coin. I'd say one of the biggest things about this coin is the fact that it only graded 2 points away from the perfect grade of 70. Also, there is toning on the coin. You see all that toning happening. It almost has a rainbow appearance. It may look like dirt or rust to some people, but that's actually a good oxidation. It gives the coin a different type of appeal that will increase the value, and that's why this coin sold for $7,637. I recently had a subscriber on my channel send me a coin that looked similar to this. So most people that look at this coin may think that it's damaged, but this is actually a mint air. It's really challenging to tell the difference here. That's why some people will just send their coins off to a third-party grading company to make sure their coin is an air coin indeed. So this coin looked like this during the minting process. When the dies came down to strike the coin, this is how it left the factory. And someone came across this coin and thought, hey, you know, this is damaged, it's not that big of a deal, maybe they spent it. And then someone that knew what they were looking for said, hey, this is actually a mint air. Surprisingly, you guys may not believe me, but this coin sold for $20,520. Now, there is a pretty large community of people that specifically collect error coins. This is a pretty rare error, and it's also considered a pretty dramatic error. By that, I mean it's just completely obliterated. But there may be people out there that try to alter and think, hey, I see this coin on Old Money Price's YouTube channel. I'm going to try to just scratch the coin and make it look like an error. If you're a coin expert, you're going to very quickly tell that this, if someone tries to do that it's fake, and to really avoid that. So if you're buying coins and you want to buy error coins, make sure that you buy them graded unless you know exactly what you're looking at, because this coin sold for $20,520. One of my favorite types of error coins here that many people actually don't know about. So this is a 1969S 1 cent double die obverse coin graded by PCGS Mint State 63 red. So you're going to need magnification on most double die coins, but if you look at the motto at the top, Liberty at the left, and the date at the right there, you're going to see the lettering, the numbers and words are doubled. That doubling alone will increase the value dramatically of your coin, because this coin sold for $86,250. Hit that subscribe button, it really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video.